The most devastating earthquake in 80 years hit Turkey earlier today. A 7.8 magnitude tremor struck at a depth of 17.9 kilometers near the city of Gaziantep. There were also 55 major aftershocks. This made for the largest quake to ever be recorded in Turkey. There was then a second earthquake with a 7.5 magnitude in Elbistan, which is said to be a completely different earthquake, and not aftershock from the previous quake. The most recent count shows a total death toll of over 3,400 people, with over 10,000 injured. Experts say that the death toll will likely be much higher. The last time Turkey experienced an earthquake that was near the same magnitude was in 1939, which resulted in 30,000 deaths.